Hello, another good day for me to talk about something. That something is deworming. Deworming should be done after every 3 months. To ensure these goats mature faster as expected. No, usipo deworm hawa, they might even take a year or so ndo waweze kuwa mature. Deworming can also be applied when a goat shows some signs. I'm going to give 2 signs. One is when the coat is not that smooth, it has a rough coat. Then 2, when it becomes slender, you can easily see the ribs. That's another sign that it has a high count of worms, so it needs to be dewormed. Please remember, deworm after every 3 months. Get the best results here.